Yeah, it's a BMW BBS, so it's not worth anything, but it looks nice, and I refurbed it during lockdown, thinking I was going to...
Okay.
You remember when I was, like, thinking, oh, people are going to buy into this fucking table business?
Yeah.
Nobody really did.
No.
So, when it didn't sort of come to pass, I thought, fuck it, well, I've all this stuff sitting around. Doing.
How many blades you gone through?
That's just one.
Oh, just the one?
Just the one. It's Ali, isn't it? So.
Yeah, I'll say, because there's steel blades, isn't it? So they tend to blow up when you hit Ali on them. So, that was all.
Oh, really?
That's what you care. Yeah, you get proper Ali discs. They're made of something slightly different. So
okay.
I don't chew up quite.
To be fair, Ali discs, you'd probably go through one of those fucking diamond masonry thing. Yeah, man. Just the one.